In this video, I'll show you one paper promo code to use in Nigeria. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you're in Nigeria and you're looking for a promo code to use, this is what you should do. Go over to this page here and click registration, choose by email, and then fill in your surname. The reason I ask you to choose by email is because that's the only option that is going to allow you to receive a bonus code in OneXBet. Once you're here, choose your country, which is Nigeria, and your currency is also going to change to that of Nigeria, which is the Nigerian Naira. Fill in your date of birth and your email address, put in a phone number, and then create a password. To create a password, you're going to follow these four requirements. After creating your password, to come to the box here that says promo code and use promo code LEOTV. If you use promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit 1,000 naira, you're going to receive 3,000 as bonus. Once you're done, click on register and complete your first deposit immediately to receive your bonus sent to your account.